take number 67. So, so I'm checking in. I'm actually in New Mexico right now, and tomorrow I'll be heading out to Colorado. Not quite sure where I'll be camping, but I will check in then. So until then, have a good night. Bye.